Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington DC, I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The group plan of 1903 comes to life at Mall A sprawling civic plaza that feels more like a European capital than a Midwestern hub. This open green expanse provides the city room to breathe, framed by the monumental architecture of the Public Auditorium and the Federal Building. The true emotional heart of this space, and perhaps the entire city, is the stunning Fountain of Eternal Life. Also known as the War Memorial Fountain, this masterpiece is a powerful tribute to the greater Clevelanders who served and sacrificed in World War II and Korean War. Dedicated in 1964, the fountain is dominated by a 35-foot-tall bronze figure that seems to be ascending from the flames of war. The figure, designed by sculptor Marshall Fredericks, represents the spirit of mankind rising above the destruction of conflict towards a future of peace and eternal life. It is a hauntingly beautiful and inspiring sight, especially when the water catches the afternoon sun against the backdrop of the surrounding skyscrapers. The base of the fountain is equally impressive, featuring a polished granite rim inscribed with the names of over 4,000 local heroes. It is a place of profound reflection, sitting in a stark contrast to the lively, bustling energy of the land just blocks away. The sculpture is positioned within a series of bronze spheres. That represents the four corners of the globe, reminding us that the impact of Cleveland citizens has always been felt on a worldwide scale. Mall A serves as a perfect gallery for this monument. It's a place where the city comes together for rallies, protests, and celebrations, all under the watchful eye of this bronze guardian. The symmetry of the mall, with its perfectly manicured lawns and grand walkways, directs your eye towards the lake, connecting the urban core to the infinite horizon of Lake Erie. Cleveland is a city that wears its heart on its sleeve. It honors its history not just with plaques, but with grand artistic statements that demand attention. The Fountain of Eternal Life is a reminder that while buildings may rise and fall, the spirit of the people, their courage, their sacrifice, and their hope is the true foundation of the 216. It is a place of peace in the middle of the power, and it remains one of the most moving spots in the city's skyline.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.